Number 5, you bought a $300 TV, a laptop for $800, and a digital camera for $249.99. The sales tax rate is 5.55%. What's the total purchase price before sales tax? So if we're figuring out the total purchase price before the sales tax, all they want us to do is total up all of the different purchase prices. So the 300, the 800, the 249.99. So I'm going to go ahead and create a list over here. $300, $800, and then $249.99. It looks like we only purchased one of each of the items, so I'm going to go ahead and add these together. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 2, we get 13. All right, so the total purchase price before sales tax is $1,349.99. I'm going to actually write this out to the side over here so I can erase this and continue showing work for the next problem. So $1,349.99. Now we're supposed to find the sales tax on our purchase. So we're going to take our percentage, 5.55%. And I don't know why it has a dollar sign. It really shouldn't have a dollar sign there. So 5.55%. We're going to take off the percent symbol. And then we're going to divide by 100 to change it to a decimal. When you think about whether you're supposed to multiply or divide by 100, I want you to constantly try to think about the fact that if you go from percent to decimal, when you compare just the numbers 5.55 to 0.0555, the number's going to get smaller when you go to a decimal. If you go from decimal to percent, it's going to be an increase, so that would be where you would multiply by 100. Most of the time on the EOG, you're going to be converting a percent to a decimal. All right, once we have the 5.55% as a decimal, we ask ourselves 5.55% of what? And of we know means multiplication, so multiply by what? We're going to multiply by the total purchase price. We're going to multiply by the $1,349.99. So take your calculator again, and I'm going to do this as you're doing it. Type in decimal 0.555 times $1,349.99. And that gives you a total of $74, and then the decimal is really pretty long. When we're dealing with money, we need to have 2 decimal places every time. We're going to be rounding to, let me make sure that looks like it's pointed to the 2, to the hundredths place. I like to indicate what I'm going to be rounding to, and then I draw an arrow from the number to the right of that number. So the 4 is the number that we're going to use for our rounding. If the number is a 4 or fewer, that number 2 is going to stay a 2. If it were 5 or greater, it would increase to a 3. Since it's a 4, it's going to keep that to a 2. So this total is going to be $74.92. We just rounded it to the nearest hundredth. When you're rounding, you're just picking the spot that you're rounding to, and with money, you always need to round to the nearest hundredth. All right, so $74.92. So what is the sales tax on your purchase price? $74.92. I'm going to write that over to the side, $74.92. The last question asks us, what is the total purchase price? So this is where we're going to take our total, $1,349.99, And then we add to that the sales tax. 9 and 2 is 11. 9 and 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, carry the 1. When you're adding or subtracting with decimals, you just bring the decimal down. 9 and 1 is 10, plus the 4 is going to give us 14, carry the 1. 7 and 4 is 11, plus 1 gives me 12, carry the 1. 3 and 1 is 4, and then 1 plus 0 is just going to be 1. So our total purchase price is $1,424.91. And let's check that on a calculator to see if we did that right. On the calculator, I got $1,424.91, which is exactly what we got for our total purchase price. So this is the original payment for the TV, the laptop, and the digital camera. This is the tax that you're going to have to pay the government. This is the total you're going to actually pay. It's the gross amount.